Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can run Android apps on Windows PC. For that, let's get started. First of all, you have to download an emulator. If your computer can handle heavy tasks, I recommend you to download BlueStacks. If your computer is not able to handle heavy tasks, you can use Nox Player, which is lighter than the BlueStacks. First of all, you have to download an emulator which gives you environment to run Android apps. I am using Nox Player. There is other Android emulators like BlueStacks for heavy computers and Nox Player for for non-heavy task computers. I'm using Nox Player. You can download it. They found a link that is in the description. Now I am going to install this. Now you can see the installation UI. Here you can change the installation directory, desktop icon on start, that's it, and I have accept the terms. Now the emulator is installed and this pop-up come out, reminder due to the system environment VSOID blue screen of death problem may appears while the emulator is starting. It can be solved through the reboot the computer. I am doing this later and now directly run this. So there is a backend story. When it starts, it encounters an error and asks for repair. I repair it, and after repair it asks for restart. Now that you are seeing right now in front of your screen is after a full restart of my PC. So in some cases stocks on 99% and you have to use another emulator. You can search for emulator by just searching on the Google best emulator for PCs. Now I am going to introduce this to you. Let's first of all see which Android version we are running. Going to settings and at the bottom about tablet, and we are running Android 5.1.1 because 5.1.1 is capable of running all the apps that is current in the market. Now you can install apps by using APK files. I have the APK file of the WhatsApp. Let's drag and drop in it. After some time it install the APK file and there is. So the installation is completed and I am going to fire up. Now here is it. Agree and continue. You can see full-fledged running WhatsApp on an emulator. So that's it, and you can change the settings, performance optimize. You can change the cores that you allow to using, resolution, basic mode, DirectX or OpenGL, enhanced capability, interface, sound settings, game settings, frame rate 60, 30 is okay, phone model, this is IMEI, you can change it, and clean and backup, you can take the backup of the all apps. Okay, that's it, and you can, and here is the Play Store, not App Center. And let's try to install YouTube. Play Store, always. And now you are in the Play Store. You have to first of all sign in, and then you are going to download the YouTube like normally on mobiles. So that's it for this video. I hope you like my video. If you like, subscribe my channel, like, share my videos, and follow me on Twitter. Bye bye.